Hey everybody, it's Yoyofinds. Well, hence the name Finds. Well, I went up in the Marshalls, okay? They got planners. Rae Dunn now, she in the planner game. Got you the video, found you some tote bags to look at, some office accessories and other stuff. So enjoy and I'll be back throughout the video. If you're that planner girl looking for an affordable planner, Marshalls needs to be on your list. If you looked at Walmart for a planner, if you looked at Target for a planner, if you looked at Joann's for a planner, even Michael's for a planner, you need to put Marshalls on your list. Look at this. Rae Dunn got a planner. Rae Dunn got a planner line at Marshalls. Did you know it? Because I didn't, okay? So we're going to look at some planners. We're going to look at some accessories. We're going to look at some bags because a planner girl always needs a good tote bag to carry her planner in. Now, here's all the commonality I see with these Marshall planners. They all start in August. Yeah, I said August. You know what? Everybody else, Happy Planner, Erin Condren, everybody's starting in June or July. They start in August. So if you're running a little bit behind getting your planner started, check out the planners at Marshalls. And the thing I like about these planners that I've noticed at Marshalls, these planners have at the beginning of each month, they have like a month at a glance right here, okay? You got your goals for the month, you got your to-dos for the month, all on one page, okay? Anniversaries, birthdays, I like that. That right there is another feature that could be incorporated, maybe in a Happy Planner, maybe in an Erin Condren, just give me some ideas, okay? Now, if you're still looking for that 2021 planner, please leave a comment below and let me know how many of my girls out there are still looking for a planner. Now, if you're enjoying this video, please consider hitting that like button. Give me a thumbs up. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Turn on all notifications. Let's keep going. Now, let me just point something out to you here. Now, this planner here starts in August, but the one thing I just noticed is that the weeks start on a Monday. So if you're that girl looking for a planner that starts on a Monday, this is where you want to check at Marshalls. Now, at Marshalls, they're going to give you different options here. Price-wise, they are sweet, okay? This little floral printed one here, this one's running at $5.99. Let me tell you, don't be sleeping on Marshalls and the planners and the accessories up in here, okay? Because the price is right. Nah, girls, you know Miss Yo-Yo's got her eye on these glasses, okay? That would be a cute little accessory on my desk. Tell me you ain't looking at them. Tell me you ain't thinking about those. Is this what I think it is? Are these pocket planners? I have looked for a pocket planner at Joann's, at Michael's. Could not find a pocket planner, okay? Come up here to Marshalls and they got pocket planners. First they come in here with Rae Dunn Planners. Now they coming up here with pocket planner. You can for a pocket planner. You know somebody looking for a pocket planner? Tell them right here for $3.99 at Marshalls. Here is another little Rae Dunn planner, $5.99, lightweight. It's a monthly planner starting in August. Remember, all of these planners, except for the pocket planners, all start in August. The pocket planners start in July, but all the planners at Marshall start in August. I love that. So if you're running behind and you haven't started your planner yet, don't fret because you can go to Marshall's and pick up a planner, okay? Now, this little camping correspondent set, it ain't got nothing to do with planning, but it's so cute I just had to show it to you, okay? $3.99. I don't even know if kids go camping anymore, but if you know someone, this is a cute little thing to get them. Got stickers in there, envelope in there, paper in there. This is just adorable, and I just had to throw it in there. Let me just tell you, I don't even know who I could buy that for, but I want to buy it for somebody. Now, Clementine Paper, this is a recyclable line. I believe they also carry at Walmart and at Five Below. I just want to know, where was I sleeping at? Okay, where was I sleeping at? When Marshalls decided to get into the planner game, and then they're going to bring Rae Dunn up here to bring her up with some planners? She's supposed to be making us some dishes. What's she doing over here doing planners for? Okay? She's trying to get up in the Happy business. Somebody need to check out. Now, if you know someone or if you're that person still searching for a planner and you're not quite made up your mind of what you want, this might be an affordable planner for you to try out here at Marshall's. Won't be too deep into it, $5.99, $6.99, even if you got to go $12.99. Try it out for a couple of months, see if it works for you. If you know somebody still looking for a planner, this might be a great little starter planner here for anybody. If you enjoy in-store videos like this, please feel free to check out my other playlist with Joanne's and Michael, some of my Target Dollar Spot videos. Just recently did one of those. And leave a comment. Don't forget, hit that thumbs up. Ding, ding. And just keep in mind, along with the planners, the stationery, the notebooks they got up here, they got a ton of office accessories, storage items, which we're going to get to, okay? We're going to get to that. And we're going to definitely be checking out this bag section. I didn't get a lot of bags, but I gave you something, a little something for you to know. And you know how Miss Yo-Yo does it. Now these Rae Dunn notebooks, there's a 2-pack here for $4.99. These are nice right here. Creative on one cover and Dream on the other. For $4.99, 2-pack Rae Dunn notebooks. Now here we go again. Another travel planner. I'm falling in love all over again, okay? Went to Target, found that travel planner. Y'all didn't see that on my IG, I posted that. Then went over to Walmart when I was doing the Walmart planners, okay? Then I found a travel planner there. Now Marshall's, they got a travel planner. Now they done made this a little bit extra because they'll throw the pen up in here too, okay? For the whole set for $7.99, the planner and the pen. Now, let me tell you, this is another Marshall's. I went into a Marshall's, the one up by my office, to see what they had in the way of their planners and their notebooks, and they are packed. This one is up in North Carolwood if anyone lives up in my area. So let me know if you go in to look for anything. Look at these notepads, these Rae Dunn notepads. 3 of them for $6.99. They had a ton of stuff in here. Notebooks by her, journals by her. They got a task list back there. They got a bunch of things that if you're looking for anything in the way of planners or accessories, you might want to check out Marshall's, and let me know if you find anything. Now, here we go. Okay, it caught my eye because it's blue, and blue's my favorite color, okay? So, nice planner, nice big hardbound planner, spiral bound. Let me just tell you right now, what that double spiral bound, okay? Let me just tell you right now, $12.99. Yeah, I said it. At Marshall's, the planner, $12.99. Check it out, girl. Check it out. Now, I just thought these were beautiful right here, okay? These are journal gift sets. Come with a journal. Come with a candle. That little set right there, $12.99. That would be a gift for any occasion for anyone if you want to take someone a gift, a journal set. I never thought about it before, but once I saw it, I said, oh, that might be one of the things on my list to get someone if I'm taking someone a gift. This little gratitude kit here. I think this is the most expensive thing I saw was $16.99. They're usually running about $9.99, $12.99. That'll be the going price at Marshall's when you're looking at this stuff. Look at this little set right here. This is $9.99. So if you're looking for a gift for someone, I would suggest you check out Marshall's for journals, for planners, for any kind of stationery item. Now here we go. We found a few accessories. We got this little tape dispenser here. Okay. Then we got a set of Rae Dunn pens. Okay. Rae is in the house. We know that, right? At Marshall's. Now this little makeup brush holder, nah. Miss Yo-Yo ain't using it for that, okay? She would use that as a desk accessory. I put me some flowers in there, some pens. I would make it work, okay? Now we just gonna look at this and move on down the road because we got storage items to look at, and then we're gonna look at some bags that I found that my planner girls might be looking for a new bag for the season. And you know, Miss Yo-Yo got her eye out for you. Now I'm going to show you what they got here because we're going to move on down the road. I can't wait to get to these bags, okay? But you look for little bins and stuff like that, little accessories for your desk. I just redid my desk, and let me just, this little bin set right here, is that a set of 2? That's 2 for $14.99. That was a nice little bins right there. So definitely check out Marshall's if you're looking for storage. I did buy a couple of things when I was in here, but I just wanted you to see what the options are. At Marshall's storage here, there's a 3-pack storage basket here for $7.99. 3. Now, if you look for something a little unusual, you know, you don't want the everyday little clear baskets, this is the place I would suggest you look at. They've got so many varieties, so many different options here at Marshall's. Now, let me just tell you right now, Miss Yo-Yo, she's obsessed with these bamboo tops on these storage bins, all of them, okay? I was trying to figure out something I could use these big bins for, but these tops are beauty. Look, bamboo, I'm obsessed with you, okay? Okay. Now, let me just say, if you're a girl looking for storage, if you're a planner girl, if you're a non-planner girl, if you're just looking for storage, you have to consider checking out the storage options at Marshall's. That's all Miss Yo-Yo gonna say, okay? That's all I'm gonna say about that. Now this little riser thing right here, this is really cute, okay? But Miss Yo-Yo can't figure out what she could do with it, but she want it, okay? Now, don't sleep on this. This is a Steve Madden bag. Look at that print inside of that. This is a big bag for $39.99, $40. Go stop it. Stop it, okay? That's a nice bag right there. Have you heard anybody ever say, girl, what size you are? I want to buy you a bag. You know why? Because it don't matter what size you are when you're buying somebody a bag. You just need to know that person and what kind of bag they like. Now me, I like a brown bag. I'm more of a natural girl. Black, you can never go wrong. Remember that when you're trying to find a bag. Look at these bags now. Check these bags out. Check out the prices here at Marshall's. Now this bag right here reminds me of a bag that I have had for like 20 years. I'm not kidding you. It's all brown though. Canvas bag like they got the same strap right there. I've had that bag for 20 years. That bag has been with me all across the United States and in Europe twice, okay? Last year, I did a video on all tote bags from TJ Maxx. If that is something you'd like for me to do this year on a variety of different stores, please leave a comment below. Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo. Thank you so much for checking out the video. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you to all my new viewers. Thank you to all my returning dedicated viewers, okay? Now, if you like videos like these with Miss Yo-Yo shopping, you know, could be planner, could be other things like, you know, Target, you know, make sure you follow me at Yoyofinds. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the all notification. Don't forget, also follow me on Instagram and on Facebook at Yoyofinds. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.